So this is some good quality water when compared to the Suns 241 specs that we're seeing here. Hello Newcastle community, it is with great joy that I greet you today here from IntegriPure, our offices at 38 Victoria Road, Newcastle. And why I'm so joyful is because I just received a report back from a water test that we did on a municipal line in Maradeni, just taking from a house, just an open tap. And we sent it into a independent SANAS approved lab, as we can see here on the report, SANAS approved. And it is some good news because this water is fully compliant to the SANS 241 standards. So you are within your constitutional rights receiving good quality water. I'll quickly run through it with you. And we see here, starting off with a microbial analysis, the E. coli, the plate count, and the coliforms all are on 0. That means with the plate count being on 0, there's absolutely no bacterial activity in the water at all. And why this is good news is because we recently had that scare where this wasn't the case. In Maradeni, they tested bacteria in the water, making it unsafe for human consumption. And here we see it being up to standard again. Remember, this is just a screenshot in time. It can change at any moment. So just be mindful of that. But it is good to see that this is compliant. We're going on seeing the alkalinity, the color, conductivity. I'll mention the pH in particular here with 7.79 pH. That's good quality water, not only for pipes, but for human consumption also, because slightly alkaline water is, I don't advocate for that 10 plus or 11 plus alkaline water at all, especially not on long term. Slightly alkaline water from our studies, fantastic for human consumption. The total dissolved solids right below that is sitting at 162, if you can't see it on your screen. That is much higher than what we tested when we started this business 10 years ago, but it is well within the limit of 1,200 that is on the SANS 241. Turbidity sitting at 0.46, and this is absolutely clear water coming to your taps. I'll do mention that if you're filling up a bathtub and you see there's a slight brown tint to it, already you'll be sitting at above 5 NTUs, meaning that the municipality is not giving you SANS 241 compliant water, because the average person will be able to see the discolor in the water when it gets to about 5 NTUs and above. But here it is within spec. Going over to the nitrates and the nitrites, looking quite good. And calcium, chloride, fluoride, magnesium, potassium, sodium, sulfate, all within spec. I'll stop at the magnesium and calcium quickly, seeing that's not too hard. It has been fluctuating in Newcastle. We're seeing hard water, but here we are seeing stable numbers on the calcium and magnesium. And then potassium, it's always nice to see potassium in the water. And I'll give it a special mention because potassium is actually like a key that opens your cells for electrolytes to enter your blood, your cells for to hydrate you. So it's always nice to see potassium in the water. Iron and manganese sitting well below what is needed. I'll go over to the next page, and here we see the calcium and magnesium hardness in particular, with the calculated at the bottom sitting at 58.1, which constitutes as soft water, with moderately hard water starting only at 60. So this is some good quality water when compared to the SANS 241 specs that we're seeing here. So as I say, just a snapshot in time, but this snapshot once again proved that the municipality is giving you and your family safe drinking water, compliant with the national standards. If you want even better water, you can buy that here at 38 Victoria Road at IntegriPure, our water shop. We focus on making good, fantastic, healthy, tasty, safe drinking water for people here, and it's a joy to serve you. So if you want some good, tasty, healthy water, you'll find us here. Either you can if you want drinking water on tap, where you want to make sure it's always safe and not just rely on these snapshots, you can also install a drinking water system inside your home with a little small tap, giving you safe, healthy drinking water on tap all the time. As point of use filtration, we'll always advocate for that. But from me at IntegriPure here at 38 Victoria Road, I'm glad to greet you with this news, and I'll see you in the next water report that we send out next week.